Do-it-yourself wooden charcuterie board is a great project.
I was going to bring this little wooden tray to the thrift store. Is there any way that I could use this to make a charcuterie tray? So I have a friend who redoes furniture and she uses spar varnish and it is very durable. And I have some, woohoo!
So I'm in a room that makes my voice sound pretty hollow. I sealed the seams in the back with some wood putty. So I'm hoping that the spar varnish will kind of go in there and seal those corners. But I just wanted to show you this board that I'm using the spar varnish on. Can you see that shiny, hard surface now? So I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to give the top side the first coat. Spar varnish is made for boats, so it's waterproof, of course. So I'm thinking that when we put food on the charcuterie tray, that it will be sealed well. This tray has some little carving in it. It's made in Haiti, and it was from a fair trade store years ago. So I'm letting the spar varnish dry about 4 hours in between coats, and I have a fan on. I'm in a room that has some good ventilation and a fan on. So I have to tell you, I'm pretty excited. I think this is my last coat of spar varnish on this project. And it's working really well. It's got a really nice, hard, and sealed surface that I think will work great for a charcuterie tray. Trying to make sure that all of the seams around the edge are sealed well, so there's no place where meat juices and things like that can get trapped. The spar varnish has also filled in all of these carved designs so that those are sealed as well. Use crackers, cheese, meats, fruits, vegetables, and nuts on your do-it-yourself wooden charcuterie board. They're so fun, and the kids will love helping you decorate them with the food. Art plus food equals charcuterie tray. My kind of meal.